Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through how to turn off precise location personalization on the X app. This simple adjustment can give you more control over your privacy and how your location data is used to personalize content. Let's go step by step together. First, open the X app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, look toward the top left corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open up a menu where you can start adjusting your account settings. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This is the section of the app where you can manage everything from your account preferences to your privacy and security options. Next, tap Privacy and Safety. This area is focused on controlling how your information is shared and how the app uses your data. Once you're in Privacy and Safety, look for the option called Location Information. Tap on it to open further location settings. Here, you'll see different ways in which the app might use your location. The most important option you'll want to focus on is called Personalise, based on precise location. This feature allows the app to use your exact location to personalize ads and recommendations. To disable it, simply toggle this option off. And that's it. By turning this feature off, you prevent X from using your precise location when tailoring content and ads. The app may still be able to use a more general location, but your exact movements will no longer be tied to personalization. Taking just a minute to adjust this setting is a smart step in maintaining more control over your digital footprint. Remember, your privacy is in your hands, and reviewing these settings regularly can help you stay on top of how your information is being used. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check your other privacy and safety settings within the app, so you can build an experience that feels right for you. Thanks for following along.